Let's solve a problem involving finding the slope of a tangent line at a point on a curve using implicit differentiation. Here's our problem. We have the equation x squared plus xy plus y squared equals 4, and we need to find the slope of the tangent line at the point 2, negative 2. Let's visualize this. We won't plot the full curve as it's complex, but we'll represent the point where we'll find the tangent. To find the slope, we'll use implicit differentiation. Let's differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. Remember, when differentiating y terms, we use the chain rule, so we'll get a dy/dx term. Applying the chain rule, the derivative of x squared is 2x. For x times y, we use the product rule. This gives us x times dy dx plus y. And for y squared, the derivative is 2y times dy dx. The derivative of 4 is 0. Now, let's solve for dy/dx. First, group terms with dy/dx together. Then, factor out dy/dx. Finally, solve for dy/dx. Now, substitute x equals 2 and y equals negative 2 into the equation. Simplifying, we get negative 2 divided by negative 2, which equals 1. Therefore, the slope of the tangent line at the point 2, negative 2 is 1.